Roundhouse Overalls. Just what every welder needs. Let me tell you, this pair here has all kinds of pockets for your chalk, double padded knees, welding rod holders right here,
I'm just sitting,
chip and hammer right here, all kinds of pockets, good sturdy material.
It's clear to see.
Remember, these are made in the USA.
From up here,
Outstanding pair. Material's real good and
world
thick.
seems small. We can sit
Can't go wrong.
together.
Roundhouse,
It's so beautiful.
USA made.
You and
See
me.
you later. I'll tell you, I was so excited about these Roundhouse overalls, I just had to try them on. They are comfortable.
Forever.
Bending, great. One knee, very comfortable. Buttons, plenty of pockets, back pockets, hammer pockets, rod
Sometimes you need
pockets.
to go. Take a step back
Very comfortable.
to see the
Easy
trees
to move in.
around you.
Can't go wrong with them.
From a distance you can tell.
Roundhouse overalls.